low yellow belt. 8, yellow belt. I go form number 1, speed and power. High yellow, remain. C, jump! One, three. One means finish. Command, go back to Jubi. Okay, so parang kanta yan. You know the song. Wala lang siya sa tono. Okay, lagyan ng buhay. Gaganda lang yung chords pag lalagyan nyo siya ng buhay. Paano mo lalagyan ng buhay? Power, speed. Kailangan kung kaya nyo patunogin yung lobo or yung uniform. Gawin. Okay? Tsaka bro, check mo yung forward stance ha. Kasi dito, walking stance yan, di ba? So here, walking stance. Walking stance, di ba? Walking stance. Dito, forward stance. Okay? May forward stance yan. Even yung dito rin. Punch, okay, forward stance, then upper block. Mag-walking stance siya. Correct nyo na lang yun. Kasi we're planning to have a Pungse. Kasi kailan ba yung last Pungse Championship sa Region 3? Sa SM Clark yun eh. Oo, sa SM Clark. Ayun, 3 years ago. So we're planning to organize para ma-correct ulit yung mga Pungse. Okay, may revision kasi yan eh.